So it's a beautiful rainy day today. So I thought that we would let Mother Nature be our music. So hopefully you can hear the rain and the birds, and this will give you a little relaxing workout. So let's just start with our feet in parallel, about our shoulders width apart. Take a big breath and release. Just feel your weight shifting back and forth, slightly to your right side, and then slightly to the left, until your weight is evenly distributed on both feet. Feel your knees over your feet, your hips right over your knees, your ribs over your hips, and your shoulders over your ribs. Head is relaxed, nice and easy on the top. Arms are just relaxed out of the shoulder sockets, and we're just going to start with the head taking it to the front 4 times. 1 and center, and 2 and center, and 3 and center, and 4 to the back. 1 and center, and 2 and center, and 3 and center, and 4 front to back. Front 1, center 2, back 3 and 4. 3 more times. 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3. Looking to your right. 1. Center 2, left side. 3 and 4. 4 times. 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3, ear to shoulder, right side. 1, 4 times. Center, and 2, and center, and 3, and center, and 4, left side. 1, and center, and 2, and center, and 3, and center, and 4, side to side. 1, center 2, 2, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3. Drop and circle to your right, 8 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just get there. 8. Reverse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Rolling up on 8. Good. Just lift your shoulders up and down. Lift up and down. And 3 and down. And 4. Circle your right shoulder backwards. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Circle your left shoulder backwards. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Full arm on the right side. 1. Open up and look behind you. And 2. And 3. And 4. Good. Left side. Reaching long. 1. Find that full range of motion. Turn around and look behind you. 2. 3. And 4. Good. Take your right arm, cross it across your body, and drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Change sides. Left arm across your body, left ear to left shoulder. And make sure that you're dropping your shoulder as you stretch. Good. Just soften the knees a little bit. Take your right hip, stretch it to the right side of the room. Good. Nice, easy pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Take your left hip to the left side of the room. Hold it. Easy pulsing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Let's work on your legs and feet a little bit. Just back in parallel. Check your feet. Check your alignment. Make sure that everything is stacked right up on top of itself. And let's plie. 1 and center and 2 and center and 3, 4 times. Center and 4. Good. Floating up to a balance. Up 1 and lower and 2 and lower and 3 and lower and 4. Low to high. We'll take 1. Center 2. Up 3 and 4 and 2. 2. 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3, turn it out, heels together, toes apart, 4 plies, 1, and center, and 2, feel those inner thighs coming back together every time, 3, center, and 4, up to a balance, up 1, and lower, and 2, and lower, and 3, and lower, and 4, low to high, 1, and up, and 2, center, up, and down, and 3, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3, 4. Good. Take the legs wide. Same thing, 4 plies. Ready? Here we go. Plie 1, and up, and 2, and up, and 3, and up, and 4. Up to a balance, up 1, and lower, and 2, and lower, and 3, and lower, and 4, low to high. We'll take 1, 2, up 3, lower 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Let's take the legs back into parallel. Just take some nice, easy, you can take it as a tendu or a dégagé, so it can either stay on the floor or it can swing off. And your choice if you want to do it in parallel or turned out. Turned out, you're going to get a little more work in the inner thighs. So I'm going to do it in parallel today. So let's start with the arms over the head, 8 in each position. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel that inner thigh working. 5, 6. Shoulders are down. 7 and 8 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. To the back, reaching forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left side up. 1, 2. Shoulders are down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the back, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Relax. Just bend. All right. I'm going to take our reaching sequence, starting with the right side. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Both arms on 4. Roll halfway down. 2, 3, and 4. Back up. 1, 2. Big stretch over your head. 3, 4. All the way down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just hang. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bend your knees. 1, 2. Straighten them. 3, 4. Again. Bend for 2. Straighten for 2. Rolling up. 1, 2, 3. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Both arms on 4. Halfway down. 2, 3, 4. Back up. 1, 2. Big stretch. 3 and 4. All the way down. 2, 3, and 4. Just hold it. 1. Let the neck release. 2, 3, and 4. Bend your knees. 1, 2. Straighten. 3, 4. Again. 1, 2. Straighten. 3, 4. Rolling up. 1, 2, 3. Good. Turn it out. Heels together, toes apart. Ready? Right side. 1, 2, 3. Both arms on 4. Roll halfway down. 2, 3, 4. Back up. 1, 2. Big stretch. 3, 4. All the way down. 1 vertebrae at a time. 3 and 4. Just hold it. 1. Neck is released. 2, 3, 4. Bend your knees. 1, 2. They go out wide over your toes. Straighten. 4. Bend. 1, 2. Straighten. 3, 4. Roll up. 1. Vertebrae at a time. 2, 3. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Both arms on 4. Roll halfway down. 2, 3, 4. Back up. 1, 2. Big stretch. 3 and 4. All the way down. 2, 3, and 4. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bend your knees. 1, 2, straighten. 3, 4. Bend. 1, 2, straighten. 3, 4. Roll up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Legs wide. Ready? Right side. 1 and 2, 3. Both arms on 4. Roll halfway down. 2, 3, and 4. Back up. 1, 2. Big stretch. 3 and 4. All the way down. 2, 3, and 4. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bend your knees. They go wide out over your toes. And straighten for 2. Bend. 1, 2, and straighten for 2. Rolling up. 1, 2, 3. Left side. 1, 2, 3. Both arms on 4. Halfway down. 2, 3, 4. Back up. 1, 2. Big stretch. 3, 4. All the way down. 2, 3, and 4. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bend your knees. 1, 2. Straighten them. 1, 2. Again. Bend. 1, 2, and straighten for 2. Rolling up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Arms wide. Just bending the knees. 1, 2, and straighten for 2. And 1, 2. Straighten for 2. Back stay straight. 3, 2. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. Everything is opening. And 4, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 2, 3, 4, and 4, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's work on your hamstrings a little bit. We're just going to go to your right side, both feet in parallel. Back is straight, and we're going to take a flat back forward for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release into that front leg. 6. Let your neck relax. 7, 8. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rolling up. 5, 6, 7. Whole sequence 4 times. Flat back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Roll up. 5, 6, 7. 2 more times. Flat back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rolling up. 5, 6, 7. Last one. Flat back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just hold it. 1. Check your neck. Make sure it's released. 3, 4. Rolling up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Just take a small little lunge. Press your back heel down. Nice and easy. Just feel a stretch in your calf on your left leg. Good. We're going to take it a little bit deeper. You're going to feel a nice stretch right across the front of your leg here. Arms over your head, shoulders down. Feel your back wide. Good. Open everything up. Let's drop the back knee. Take it all the way down to the floor. back up. Good. Take it wide. 8 more plies. So 1 and up and 2 and up and 3 and up and 4 and up and 5 and straighten and 6. Feel that width across the front and the back. Everything opens. And 7 up and 8 and up. Good. Let's go to your left side. Both knees are straight. Take a flat back forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Releasing into the front leg. 6, 7, 8. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rolling up. 5, 6, 7. 4 times. Flat back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rolling up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rolling up. 9, 10, 11. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Release. 5, 6, 7, 8. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rolling up. 5, 6, 7, and 8. A small little lunge. Press that back heel down. Feel your calves stretching. Hold it for a minute. Take it a little deeper. Shoulders are down. Open everything wide. Drop the back knee. Turn your front foot out a little bit. Coming back up. Arms wide. 8 more plies. 1 and up and 2 and up and 3 and up and 4 and up and 5 and up and 6 up 7 up 8 up. Good. Coming back to center. Let's just take one more time, rolling down the spine and hanging. Let your neck relax. Knees are soft. Rolling up. Push your hands forward. Clasp your hands together. Press forward, chin to your chest. Arching sternum up to the ceiling. Big breath in. Exhale, send your energy out. One more time, press forward. Chin to your chest. Take it up. Send your energy out. Little plie. Center. Check your alignment. Find your feet. Knees right over your feet, hips right over your knees. Ribs are relaxed over your hips. Shoulders are relaxed, neck is relaxed. One more time, just plie, center, float up to a balance, nice and tall. Stay tall, stay as tall as you are, but lower your heels. Stay as tall as you are, and lower your arms. Great. Have a great day.